Born in the struggle, raised in the hustle, every day's a battle, every night's a tussle. Grinding from dawn till the streetlights flicker, dreams of gold chains, but my pockets get thinner. Black tax on my back, it's a heavy load, trying to pave my way, but I'm stuck in a code. Sending money back home while I'm broke on the side, a cycle of poverty, and there's nowhere to hide. Education's a ticket, but the system's flawed. Promises of change, but they never reward. Jobs are scarce, opportunities rare, youth in despair trapped in this snare. Working hard every day, still feeling the strain, living life in the fast lane but stuck in the pain. South African youth were crying for a change, trying to break free from the chains of the game. Scholarships and dreams, but the fees stack high, a degree in my hand, but still, I scrape by. Land of the brave, but the struggle's real. Rich get richer, we're stuck in the wheel. Hustling on the side just to make ends meet, but the bills keep rising, can't get on my feet. Corruption in the ranks, who's gonna take a stand? While the youth's got talent but no helping hand. Street corners whisper stories of the past, apartheid scars, but we're moving fast. United we stand, divided we fall, but the weight of the past still haunts us all. Working hard every day, still feeling the strain, living life in the fast lane but stuck in the pain. South African youth were crying for a change, trying to break free from the chains of the game.
Hope in our hearts, fire in our eyes. We rise from the ashes, we reach for the skies. Building our future, one brick at a time. Together we conquer, together we climb.
Entrepreneurial spirit. Innovation's our creed, but the system's designed to make us bleed. Politics and power, games they play. But the youth's got the power to change the day. Voices united, we march for our rights. A brighter tomorrow, we're ready to fight. Breaking the chains, rewriting our fate. The youth of Mzansi will never break.
Working hard every day, still feeling the strain, living life in the fast lane but stuck in the pain. South African youth were crying for a change, trying to break free from the chains of the game. We are the future, we are the light, together we stand, together we fight.
From the townships to the cities we rise, South African youth, we reach for the skies.
These lyrics touch on the themes of hard work, financial struggles, systemic challenges, and the resilience and hope of South African youth.
Yes, indeed, we are the future and we are ready to shine.